Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with another new video which is how to showcase your progress status by using a condition formatting. So here I have a project summary with their completion percentage and I have created a chat without using any bar chart or anything. I have used a condition formatting and created. This is project status and this is service level status. So it is on a daily basis service level percentage of completion against project or against account. It is a day wise quality score where you can see the red, amber, green status was used. According to that the graph was highlighted. So in these three methods I have not used any bar chart. Just by using a condition formatting I have created it. Let's get into the video and see. I have taken a new sheet. Just I'm copying the data from my previous sheet, which is project summary. So project name and the status. So here I'm taking with the random number. You guys can take your project names according to that. You can create it. Just copy this. And I'm removing a grid line for a better view. Here I'll add a status. Now what I'll do, I'll use 1 minus this percentage and I'll create the percentage of status over here. And now what I'll do is I'll format this by using a format painter option. What we will do is we'll convert this to bar chart. For that what I'm doing, I'm selecting the area and going to condition formatting. I'm creating a new role. Use the last option. Here what I'll do is just I'll give equal. I'm selecting this delete status and remove the dollar symbol by using a F4. Equal to open double quotes and type delayed. So if it is delayed, it has to be represented in the color of red. So I'm going to fill options, choosing a fill effect. The color I'm using a red color. This is somewhat lightish color. I'm using this. Press OK and OK. I'll apply over here. Now you can able to see the delayed percentage got changed into a red color. Similarly, I'm creating for a on time also. Same, I'll type B2 equals to double quote and on time. Close the double quotes and change the color. Choose with green color. This is according to your requirement. You can choose your colors. I'm using a red and green color over here. Okay, and apply it. If you see the bar chart was created, but I don't want to see with the numbers, and the percentage should be displayed in the form of a bar. So for that reason what I'll do is I'll go to condition formatting. I'll use manage rules. I'm going to create a new rule. So here I'm using a first option, format all the cells based on their values, and I'll use data bar. So here the type is automatic. Convert this into a number. So the first value is 0, second value should be 1, and the color, it has to be filled with a white, and the bar direction is right to left. Press OK. But still now what will happen, you will able to see the percentage, but I don't want to view the numbers. So here I'll pick on a show bar only option, so that it will remove the text. It will showcase only the bar. So now you can see the status of your project. So here it was into a red color, right? When I'm changing into on time, it will be changing into your green color. If I'm changing this to delay, it will be changing according to color. The percentage also I'm changing here 30%. The bar is updating according to data. So whatever I'm giving, it is going to take according to the number. So what I have done is, I have not used this. I was used a formula like 1 minus the percentage completion to showcase the graph where it was not completed. So this is completely a condition formatting bar. Similarly, I'll copy other data also which is related to service level score. So I'm going to my previous Excel and copying this. But here what I will do is, I'll use red, amber, green options. I'm copying the same table whatever I have used earlier. If you guys want to create, you can create your table according to your requirement. And I'm removing a grid lines. Same formula I'm using, 1 minus the percentage. I'm going to format with the same. So here what I'll do is, I'll use the condition formatting. I'll create a new rule. I'm using a last option, equals. Again I'll use equals to B2, the cell which is service level number. I have used a red, amber, green, right? So it should be less than or equal to 50%. Should be represented in red color. So I'm giving it as a less than 50 percentage, or you can use 0.5 also. I'm using a fill effect and changing into red. So this color I'm using. Press OK and OK. So when I apply which is less than 50, it will be reflected as red color. So again I'm using a new rule. I'm using a last option. Now I will use a AND function. B2 greater than equal to 50, comma, and B2 less than or equal to 80 percentage. Select it and close the formula. Go to fill effect and change this color to yellow. So this is embed status what we are using. Okay. Now I'm creating it for a green. So I'll use, similarly I'll use last option, equal to B2 greater than 80 percentage, should be reflected in green color. So I'm using a fill effect, changing the color. Okay. And next rule will be By using a first option, I'm going to data bar, changing this to number. Minimum value is 0, maximum value is 1, and show the bar only. Here I'm changing the color to white and the bar direction right to left. Press OK. So now the status was displayed against each column. So I'm changing here to a 5%. So it is updated, and I'm changing here 95%. It is updated. So according to the big column, it will be updated. So similarly, the last one, which is quality score, what I'll do is I'll take a copy of this sheet only. I'll rename it as a quality score. We'll merge this together and name it as a quality score. So now I'll use a color options over here, similarly the one which I have showcased earlier. So here also will display the red, amber, green color. For this, what I'll do is I'll use a condition formatting. I'm using this one. Now I'm using less than 50. Going to format, and I'm formatting only the text, taking it as a bold and red color. OK and OK. Sorry, I missed to use the percentage. That's the reason it was reflected for all the cells. Now I'm changing it again to 50% and changing the text color to red. OK. So now you can see the format was applied for. Again, I'm using between 50 to 80% between. It should be reflected in yellow color. Format, bold, and change the color to yellow. And the last rule is greater than 80. You can see all the data was updated according to all the data values updated with the color code, that is red, amber, green, and you can adjust your data bar with the requirement. And here I'm changing into a 10%, and here I'm making it to 85%, or this I will make it as a 90%, 60%. So the data bar is updating according to my requirement. So whatever you will use, you can change according to your requirement. Here you can use your employee name and their scores, or you can use other options also. So this is all about today's video, friends. If you like it, please do pick on a hit button so that it will encourage me to create a more videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So if you are looking for any new content, you can provide your comments so that I can create it. Thank you so much, friends.